Hey, good morning, everybody. Welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to talk to you guys about the Exynos 5300 modem and just my experiences with it recently. Now, this video was inspired by Sneed Mobile Tech because he had US Mobile Dark Star on his Pixel 7 Pro, and he noticed that after a while of a little bit of time of using it on his 7 Pro, it started to feel like that his connection was throttled. Since he moved his services from the 7 Pro to an S25 Plus, I believe, and the speeds on US Mobile Dark Star returned to the way that they were when he first got the service and was speed testing it. So I had since moved my US Mobile Dark Star SIM back onto my Pixel 10, but I did have it on the Pixel 7, which you'll see in these screenshots, the speed test and connectivity that I was getting. And I'm comparing it to the T-Mobile SIM that I have in the Pixel 7. And one thing I can say is that the issue that he was facing is something that I found to be kind of similar. When US Mobile was on my Pixel 7, as you guys see, it literally was just weird. And I mean, there was times, in the spot that I was doing the speed test at, in both of those two results right there, where same spot, and there were times where speeds were similar and speeds were not on the Pixel 7. And that's just because, where I'm at, my connections on AT&T, Verizon, T-Mobile are not the greatest indoor where I live. And so that was a problem. But, the reality of things is that the Exynos 5300 modem, in my opinion, I know for a long time, a lot of people were reporting that they were having connectivity issues with that modem in the Pixel 7, and I would say, yeah, there is. When moving the US Mobile SIM back to the Pixel 10, and speeds were much different and more consistent and more stable. So that's just my quick findings of my little experiment that I just wanted to report on. So yeah, you guys can tell me if you guys have a Pixel 7 and did you guys experience the same issues?